Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of the eggless gnocchi in herb and cheese sauce. Pillowy soft gnocchi that are light and fluffy. To begin, prepare the gnocchi dough. In a large bowl, mix together 250 grams boiled and grated potatoes, 2 cups, 1 teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon oil, and half a cup of all-purpose flour. Bring it together to form a dough, but don't knead it too much. Roll it into a long tube and cut it into 1-inch pieces. Shape the gnocchi as per your choice. Bring water to a rolling boil. Season it with a bit of salt. Add in the gnocchi. And allow them to rise to the top. It would take 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, prepare the sauce. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of butter in a pan. Add in 2 tablespoons finely chopped garlic and saute for a minute. Next, add in 1 medium onion, finely chopped, and saute until translucent. Drain the gnocchi and add it to the sauce. Keep the water for further use. Mix well. Add in a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Mix well. Add quarter cup of water. You boil the gnocchi in. Mix. Finally, add in 4 tablespoons of grated cheese of your choice and cook until it melts. You can add a bit of gnocchi water if required. The eggless gnocchi in herb and cheese sauce is ready to serve. Serve hot with toasted bread. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.